Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Szechuan fried rice. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 3 cups of cooked, cold rice, 200 grams of your favorite protein, and a good quality Szechuan sauce. Also, prepare 1 cup of mixed vegetables like carrots and bell peppers, finely chopped. Having everything ready before you start is key to a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your wok or large pan over high heat with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. High heat is crucial for that authentic stir-fry flavor. First, add your protein, cooking it quickly until it's nearly done, then set it aside. Next, toss in your chopped vegetables, stir-frying them for just 2 or 3 minutes until they are vibrant and slightly tender. This is where the magic happens. Introduce your cold, day-old rice into the hot wok, making sure to break up any clumps so it can absorb the flavors evenly. Then, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, distributing it well over the rice and vegetables. Stir-fry everything together vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring every grain of rice is coated and heated through. To finish, return your cooked protein to the wok, mixing it gently but thoroughly with the flavorful rice and vegetables. Give it one final quick toss to ensure everything is perfectly heated. For a beautiful presentation and extra aroma, garnish your Szechuan fried rice with fresh chopped green onions and a small drizzle of sesame oil. Serve this delightful dish immediately and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.